Before I got it into bed, I began with the notification for watches play practice in the town hall or outdoors. I even asked my friends all along to me. We went to both gates and soft plastic bottles with sand in them or cola cans filled with them. We made noises mostly. Little by little, they all got tired or following me around. I knew it was time to try all the real things. I did a few of them. The first time was a disaster. I couldn't get my breath and I started to cry. I just want to run home, but the leader was very understanding. He fixed an appointment for the following week. He explained how to relax and do breathing techniques. So I practiced everything he told me. I went around the house making drum noises, bass noises, and piano songs. That helped me out.